How does it feel to earn money while you sleep at a very young age? Yes, there are 17-year-olds out there retiring their parents, making $10,000 a month from their room, more than their school teachers. No magic, just discipline, skill, and you, still broke, still blaming the system, still scrolling for dopamine while your potential bleeds away. Wake up to reality. This world doesn't wait for the weak. It rewards the dangerous. And in this new era, the most dangerous weapon is not a sword. It's artificial intelligence. If you are still thinking humans have created AI, it can't take my job. Pathetic. Look around you. The world is trembling. Headlines scream of AI's rain mass layoffs.
Artificial intelligence is actually taking away your job.
The end of work as we know it. Japan cuts 30,000 jobs to AI. IBM freezes hiring, replacing 7,800 roles with automation. You fear what you don't understand. You cling to the past like a drowning man to driftwood. But the tide, it does not negotiate. AI is not your executioner, it is your sword. And right now, you're bleeding because you refuse to wield it. Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs will evaporate, and you still believe going to school and getting a degree will make you successful. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei warns that AI could eliminate up to 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs within the next 5 years, potentially pushing unemployment rates to 20%.
Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei. He said up to half of all entry-level white-collar jobs could disappear. AI could wipe out 50% of these jobs. Unemployment could shoot up to 20%.
And if you're leaving, in India where unemployment is already on its peak, you know what you need to do. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang emphasizes that AI is fundamentally redefining jobs, and workers must adapt and acquire AI-related skills to stay relevant. You have two choices: kneel or conquer. AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. Let me show you the weapons they don't want you to have. Artists extinct? Tell that to Mid-Journey users charging $500 per design. Now here's the forbidden strategy. The elites aren't firing you because AI is better. They're firing you because they know how to merge with it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why AI is not your enemy. It's your friend, and how to use AI tools to build real income. No fluff, no fake promises. No fake smiles like those social media influencers. These are battle-tested tools. Tools that automate your grind, scale your skills, and help you earn while you sleep. Because, listen, the man who adapts to power becomes a god. The one who ignores it fades into dust. The mindset shift. We're not living in a normal timeline of human existence anymore. If you still believe money can't buy happiness, listen, one day, someone in your family might need urgent medical care, a serious illness, and the doctor says, sorry, without money, we can't help. What will you do then? Money may not buy happiness, but it buys survival. So you have to make money to not get in such a situation. This should shift your mindset completely. And now, AI makes it easy to build income. Simple, silent, scalable. AI is not just a tool. It's leverage. Leverage used by the smartest minds in the world. One man, one laptop, one mind can now outperform an entire team of employees. The phone that you are holding in your hands right now is the most powerful weapon you have in the human civilization. In this new age, it's not the strongest to survive. It's the smartest, the most ruthless, the most efficient, and AI multiplies your efficiency like a Sharingan sees through illusions. This video is packed with value knowledge that you'd usually find in a paid course. If you don't know where to start, I've created something for you. The reason this video is late is because I was building a free ebook. Inside, I've collected all these tools, plus a full step-by-step guide on how to automate your workflow with AI. But listen, if I give this away for free, you won't have any value for it, just like other free courses you watch. and think it won't work. When you pay even a small amount, you will be forced to take action. Investing in yourself is the best investment. So, I'm giving it away at a low price. But if you buy it now with this code, you will get flat 50% discount. If you want it, you can buy it. Otherwise, I have covered few same tools in this video. And if you want to level up every day, join this channel and get daily community posts about real-life education and motivation. Both links are in the description. Now, let me show you the tools. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. No one will tell you the real truth about ChatGPT. People don't have time to write captions or product descriptions, YouTube scripts, tweets, course outlines, automated DMs. This tool does it all. Here's how to monetize it. Create a profile on Fiverr. You can make more than your school teacher. Yes, for real. This AI writes your ticket. Use this prompt, and suddenly you're a ghostwriter making $1,000 a week. No camera, no talent. Perfect. This second AI prints cash while you sleep. Tool number 2, Leonardo AI. You get 150 credits per day, more than enough. Use ChatGPT to generate prompt ideas, then create stunning AI art. You can create this art and make Instagram reels that actually go viral. Combine Leonardo with free AI video generators like Hilo AI, Krea, Kling, Veo, or even CapCut. And then you can also sell wallpapers. Believe it, people are making real money just by selling art. Art is illusion. Illusion is emotion. Use that. And here's tool number 3, CapCut. Now offers AI story, video generation, and more. Businesses are begging for this. You edit their ads in 3 minutes. You charge $100. CapCut gives you free AI captions and templates, both on browser and mobile. Auto captions plus AI stock footage give your videos a premium look. Sell captions and video editing gigs on Fiverr. It works. Tool number 4, Tencent Hunyan 3D. This is one of the best AI tool which can change the whole film, animation, and VFX industry, because this tool can make a highly detailed 3D model from just an image. Here is the image, and this is the 3D model. This kind of highly detailed 3D model are being charged for more than $100. This tool either can take many jobs, or if you know this tool, then you can use it for your own benefit. This tool offers 20 free generation a day, and that's crazy. If you want to know how to make money through it, read this eBook, which I have made free for first 20 users. Go grab one for yours. Tool number 5, Hunyan AI Avatar. Look at this image. I uploaded it on this website and then I added audio, and this is the final result. Amazing, right? I won't tell you how to use this. Figure it out, because listen, the richest people in 2024 aren't geniuses. They're lazy thieves with AI. You've just been handed the loot. All the AI tools I shared are free. The age of human labor is over. The age of human AI symbiosis has begun. Will you be the corpse or the conqueror? The tool is in your hands. Now, strike.
So make sure to subscribe and like the video.